Hi, my name is Caitlin Barthol. I'm the Ag Agent here in the Meritzine District, and I want to show you around our new office location here in Paola. So let's go see it. All right, and as you guys come inside, you can see on this side we have our bulletin boards that talks about the education services we provide, as well as some upcoming programs that we have. And on this side is some awards of recognition for a couple of our programs. And if you guys still don't know where you're at, take a big old look behind me at our awesome purple wall that has our K-State Research and Extension Meritzine logo. And now let's meet our lovely office professionals.
Hi, I'm Angela. I'm an office professional here for the Meritzine District. I am the financial secretary. I take care of the bookkeeping. I also help people at the counter when they come in, answer the phone. We sell the radon test kits and we process the soil samples for people to send out to K-State. So just help out wherever needed.
Hi, I'm Julie, one of the office professionals here at the Paola office. My jobs include answering the phone, maintaining our website, approving enrollment for 4-H online, and in the spring I also help with Walk Kansas and whatever else the agents might need me to do.
Hi, I'm Kathy Gall. I'm one of the Family and Consumer Science agents here at the Meritzine Extension District, and I am standing in what we call Information Alley. This is a great little nook in our office where we have information available to the public. If you're looking for something, chances are we have it. We have a wide variety of publications, everything in agriculture from crop management, livestock management, to home gardening, as well as lawn care. On this side, we have a lot of great resources for family finances, health and wellness, including information on Alzheimer's, information on Medicare, and a great section up here on home canning. Lots of great tips on food safety involved in canning, as well as some great recipes. The best thing about all of this information is it is based on research, hence the name K-State Research and Extension. So when you take home information from our office, you can trust it to be what you need to answer all the questions that you have. Also located in Information Alley is this wonderful hub for our 4-H program. These are mailboxes for all of the 4-H clubs, so they can come in and get information pertinent to their club activities, as well as upcoming programs and events that they want to be involved in. So another great resource, and we're going to hop around the corner now and I'll show you my new office. All right, welcome to my office. As I mentioned, my name is Kathy and I'm one of the Family and Consumer Science agents here in the district. My role here is to help Kansans age well, and we do that through a variety of programs. I offer programs on the keys to embracing aging, working with the Alzheimer's Association to do Alzheimer's education in our area, as well as working on fall prevention programs. We teach a great program here called Stay Strong, Stay Healthy that works on balance and strength training to really reduce the incidence of falls that individuals have. Work on teaching a great program called Powerful Tools for Caregivers, and this is where we work to help caregivers kind of navigate the journey of caregiving as they take care of their loved ones. And then I also help people with their Medicare options, looking at the best choices for them based on their finances as well as health concerns that they may have. Other things that I do, not just in the arena as we grow older, but just for families in general, do a lot of financial resource management programs. So things from regular just budgeting for the household, clear on through looking at your advanced healthcare planning documents and even some estate planning. So do a wide variety of things. Trust me, I never get bored. I love my job. It's just a fabulous journey and I enjoy working with the community. So anytime you want to come in and say hi and talk to me about how I can help you, it'd be a great thing. Feel free to stop on in. I'm going to take you over now to Caitlin's office and she can tell you a little bit more about what she does.
Hey guys, as I said earlier, my name's Caitlin and I'm one of the ag agents here in the Meredith District. So what does that mean? So I help everything ag related. So that's for the farmers who have cropland, any type of questions they have, all the way to the ranchers in the district, and I help with livestock management for them, all the way over to the horticulture part of things. So if people have questions on their lawns, have questions on their gardens, they bring all those questions in and I do my best to answer those questions with research-based publications. I am also the coordinator of our local district Master Gardener program. So what is that, you might ask? The Master Gardener program is a volunteer program that we have. It's made up of volunteers who love gardening. So we have about roughly 50 or so active members within the district. And they have programs that they do, activities that they do year-round to stay active. And a couple of their garden projects that you guys might see here locally in Paola is the courthouse gardens. So all the garden flower beds around the courthouse, that is part of their project. They also have some flowers here, little flowers here at the new location, as well as they do a big trial garden. So K-State actually sends out trials of peppers and tomatoes, and we grow them here and send those results back to K-State. So it's a very active, fun program, a lot of awesome members in that Master Gardener program. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, ag related, horticulture related, please don't be afraid to call. I have an open door policy and I look forward to seeing you. So next, we'll actually head over to the troublemaker in the corner, Karla, our 4-H agent. So let's go pick on her.
Hi, I'm Karla Hightower, 4-H Youth Development Agent for the Meredith District, and welcome to my new office. I'm really enjoying our new office space, and I hope you enjoy this video as well. Some of the things that I do as 4-H Youth Development Agent is really concentrating on teaching life skills to our youth and doing it in a variety of ways, between 4-H clubs and managing them and their volunteers, to day camps, fair. We also have an innovation grant here in the Meredith District that is dealing with STEM education and trying to do some STEM workshops and trainings. We also have Touch a Truck, which I work with Caitlin, our ag agent, on that, and try to do a community education to educate about agriculture and other careers. We also do lots of workshops and trainings for 4-Hers and non-4-Hers. I manage all the 4-H volunteers for the Meredith District, including training them and making sure that they are screened. And then I also work with the Miami County 4-H Foundation Board to provide funding for senior scholarships and many other programs throughout the Meredith District. So I hope you enjoy our new office. We are really enjoying it. I hope you come visit us. And I hope you look for more 4-H youth development programming from the Meredith District to teach youth those life skills that are really important. And now we're going to go straight to Caitlin, just across the hall in our new volunteer office space.
All right, guys, so we're here in our volunteer space in our new office. So we're all going to talk to you guys about how this space is utilized. So kind of right up here is kind of where our master gardeners will work out of. So why do they come in and use this space? They come in because they have hotline hours during April through October, once a week for about 4 hours. A master gardener or 2 master gardeners will be in here. And if you guys have questions, no matter what type of questions, like I said, a lawn question, a veggie question, even bug, tree, grass ID questions. Master gardeners will be here every Thursday from April through October for about 4 hours to be here to help answer those questions. And if they have to come in for any and every other thing that they might need to do, this is kind of their little workspace for them. So now we'll turn it over to Kathy, and she'll talk about the other part of how this office or space is used.
This is one of the spaces I think the staff is most excited about here in our new office, being able to have this dedicated workspace for our volunteers to come in. As I mentioned earlier in my office, we do a lot of work with folks to help them pick the right Medicare options for them, and a lot of that magic takes place in this room. That is not a program that I can handle all by myself. We do have a team of volunteers who come in throughout the year, especially in the fall, to help us with our Medicare program. So we really enjoy having folks come and volunteer, and there are a lot of different opportunities for folks to get involved with Extension. So if you're interested in volunteering, come on down and see how you can help.
We also utilize this volunteer space for our 4-H volunteers. We have over 150 4-H volunteers in the Merdocine district, and they can come in here and work on things like reviewing scholarship applications, helping with treasurers and club projects, or if they just need a place to work on some things as well. The other thing is we also have our Miami County 4-H Foundation volunteers who use this to help do their book work and work with others and meet with others in this space as well. So it's a very utilized space across all of our programs in the Merdocine district.
I'm Allison Wakefield, and I'm the 4-H Program Assistant for the Merdocine District, and I'm in our new small conference room. We're really excited to have this space now on the same level as compared to our previous office location. This is going to allow us more opportunity to use this space for team building, brainstorming for new ideas of programming and events, and also for other small groups to come in here and meet as well. We're super pumped about this TV behind me because now we can show videos and have a more in-depth and technologically forward presentation. Also, right next to our small conference room is my office, so let's go check it out. So like I said, I'm the 4-H program assistant, and my duties here at the district mainly revolve around helping plan and host those 4-H youth development events that we have. So it's workshops, day camps, our chopped cooking competitions, clover bud meetings that I do every month with our younger kids that aren't in 4-H yet, and other programs that we can have for kids to help build those life skills to serve them on way past their years in 4-H. I also do our district 4-H newsletter every month, so always be checking your email on the last business day of the month for some great information on statewide events and district events to keep you updated on all the opportunities that we have.
Hi, my name is Beth Lang, and I'm the Assistant Nutrition Educator here at the Paola office for the Merdocine Extension office. And this is my office, welcome. But my job that I do while I'm here at the Extension office is I'm a nutrition educator. So you might see me in senior centers or in high schools, libraries, and grade schools. Or even summer programs, and I get the joy of teaching nutrition education and maybe some little fun exercise things that you can do to lead a healthier lifestyle. So that's my fun. You might find me in the kitchen as well while we're here. So follow me and we'll head to the kitchen. Hi, welcome to our kitchen. We're super excited to have this great new space to do our recipes. Right now I'm going to work on some pasta.
You're joining me now in our large meeting room here at our new office. This is the place where the magic happens, or some people say where the entertainment happens. This room is a great space that's used for a variety of things. We do our educational programming back here. Examples of that would be our monthly Knowledge at Noon programs that we have, our Women in Agriculture series, our New to Medicare classes, 4-H programming, everything from our Clover Beds meetings on up to 4-H ambassadors, livestock production meetings, you name it, it can take place here. If it's all about extension and it's all about educating you, chances are it happens in this room.
Oh, hi. I was just working on our, putting some videos on our YouTube channel. But welcome to our tech room. With all the new things that are happening now, we are doing a lot more videos, Zoom meetings, online trainings and workshops. And so we decided to have a tech room that we could come into and have quiet and have a spot to actually edit things and record video. So this is our new tech room. We're really excited about it, and I hope you can go and check out our YouTube channel, the Méridien Extension District, and check us out. We have lots of good videos and more coming soon.
Hey guys, so we hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you love seeing our new space, concerning we love being here. So if you guys are ever in town and want to stop by and have some questions or anything, we'd be glad to help you out. All right, have a good day and see ya.